count its stars. Tap, tap, tap. One by one on Novo's map. Count the stars. Clap, clap, clap. 1 to 20. Tap, tap, tap. Look at the sky. So many lights. Can we count them all tonight? I might get lost. There are too many. Let's count in groups. That helps us plenty. Count the stars. Tap, tap, tap. One by one on Novo's map. Count the stars. Clap, clap, clap. 1 to 20. Tap, tap, tap. One little star, 2 stars bright, 3 stars sparkle in the night, 4 stars glow, 5 stars shine. First group done, feeling fine. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Tap your knees and count alive. Count the stars. Tap, tap, tap. One by one on Novo's map. 6 stars twinkle, 7 too. 8 stars blink in soft sky blue. 9 stars shimmer, 10 stars glow. Second group done. Now we know. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Clap your hands, let's count again. 10 is not the end. There are more stars. Yes, but we count one group at a time. 11 stars, 12 stars near, 13 stars shining clear, 14 stars, 15 light. Third group done in the night. 11, 12, 13, 2, 14, 15. Chug, chug, chew. Count the stars. Tap, tap, tap. One by one on Novo's map. 16 stars, 17 high, 18 stars across the sky, 19 stars, 20 bright. We counted all the stars tonight. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 stars, bright and clean. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 10? 11. What comes after 15? 16. What number ends our count? 20. 1, 2, 20. Tap, tap, tap. Count the stars on Novo's map. Sometimes counting feels too big. Start with the one, then do a little jig. Group by group, 5 by 5. Counting makes the stars come alive. If you miss one, that is okay. Go back slowly and count the way. Count the stars. Tap, tap, tap. One by one on Novo's map. Count the stars. Clap, clap, clap. 1 to 20. Tap, tap, tap. 1 to 5. 6 to 10. 11 to 15. Count again. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 stars. Bright and clean. Lita counted step by step. Novo's map helped every rep. The sky looks big, but now I see small groups help me count easily. Count the stars. Tap, tap, tap. One by one on Novo's map. Count the stars. Clap, clap, clap. 1 to 20. Tap, tap, tap. Point up high. Stomp your feet. Counting stars feels so sweet. With Lita and Novo by our side. Number adventures shine outside. Count the stars. Tap, tap, tap. 1 to 20. Clap, clap, clap. TD Kids Universe. Big adventure Here's 4